If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. I know I got a new haircut, thank you so much. Anyways, the dish that I'm going to be making today is not everyone's favorite. Most of the people don't like it because of the smell or the taste, or I don't know, maybe they don't make it properly. But trust me guys, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And it's super healthy, super delicious if you make it properly, and it can be your next favorite side dish. So what I'm making today is honey and balsamic glazed roasted Brussels sprouts. That's right. Many people call it baby cabbages, but I don't really know why or what, but they're not cabbage, they are Brussels sprouts. So it's very simple, very limited ingredients. You don't have to do anything too much. Just toss everything together, put it in the oven, and that's it. Kind of very easy. And it doesn't take time. It takes only 20 minutes to bake. So yeah, let's get started with the ingredients. Let me just show you everything so that we can start cooking it up. So here I have my baking dish that I'm just gonna mix up everything. It'll go in the oven. I have some olive oil, salt, black pepper, and balsamic vinegar. And over here I have Brussels sprout cut in half, and I have some honey over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix salt, black pepper and olive oil into this, mix it properly, put it here in the oven, come out, honey and balsamic. But I'll show you properly step by step once we start making, and also you're going to find the recipe like full with ingredients and how to make it, the descriptions and everything, and notes and tips. You're going to find the full thing in the description box below, the link to my website, so go and check it out there. But for now, let's get started. Okay, first things first, I'm going to keep this aside over here for now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some salt. They are going to be super crispy from the outside and soft from the inside and full of flavor, guys. Trust me, they're actually going to be full of flavors. So I'm adding salt, and now I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm doing it in a bowl because then I can mix it properly and then spread it here in the baking tray, and that's it. Just giving it a toss. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil. I'll mix it properly once I place it here in the baking tray. And these veggies are the kind of veggies, if you don't season them properly, or if you kind of don't make them properly, they don't taste good. And once they don't taste good, you don't feel like eating them anymore ever again. So, and this is a really good vegetable, so you don't want to miss on this. Just try this once how I'm making it, and trust me guys, you're going to love it. You're just going to love it. Okay, so I'll mix them properly. And now let me just get this back. Pour everything here. Nice. Put this aside. Just giving it a little good one more mix. This looks good. And now I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit more olive oil, the final touch. So my oven is preheating at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna place this in the oven for 20 minutes. And once they're nice and crispy from the outside, like it has a good crispy from the outside roast, I'm gonna take it out and show it to you then. Okay guys, so my Brussels sprouts are out. You can see they have a good crisp and everything, and they look delicious. So I told you guys that I'll be baking it for 20 minutes, but instead of doing 20, I did 30 minutes to have a good crisp. And I took it halfway out, like just give it a toss, give it a mix actually, and then again put it back, and it was total time was 30 minutes. And right now what I'm gonna do, I have some honey over here and this is balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna mix it together, like give it a good mix, and then just pour it all over this here. So let's do that. Let's mix the balsamic vinegar and honey together, and this is gonna do magic to the Brussels sprouts. You want to give them a good mix, but very gently because you don't want them to break or something like that. This is actually extremely delicious. Oh my god. Okay, so super excited. Let's taste this and see how it is. I'm gonna take one good piece. You can see how crispy it is. It has such a nice crisp and it just looks delicious. Oh my god, guys. The sweetness from the honey and the slight citrus from balsamic vinegar. It is the best combination. It's super delicious. And it's crispy from the outside. You can actually feel the crisp in your mouth when you eat it. Anyways, guys, this is today's dish. This is what I wanted to show you guys, and I'm trying to do something here like make you guys fall in love with Brussels sprouts because they are that good if you make them properly. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe and see you in my next recipe. Bye bye.